Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the scan and find option on H&amp's application on your device. But first I would like to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your device. Then at the top of your screen, next to the search bar, you can see the scan icon, so tap on it, and then you are ready to direct your smartphone towards the price tag of the item that you want to know more about, and then it will appear if the scanned item is available. Yes, it is available, and you are ready to know more about this particular product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.